2, 1.
Hi, it's Neil here at Toolstop TV again. I'm still at Bosch's headquarters in Denham near London. I'm with Eric, who's the Bosch demonstration guy, and now he's going to demonstrate the great features of some of Bosch's grinders. This model is the GWS11-124Ci. It's got a great feature which is called KickBack stop, and it's also got restart protection. So Eric's going to demonstrate this for us right now.
We've got this machine mounted on a special jig. This is designed to safely demonstrate what happens should a cutting disc, for example, get trapped in a cut. It's a very common situation where the cut closes on a moving cutting wheel. The result with a conventional grinder is that the machine itself is thrown back towards the operator, often resulting in quite serious injuries. So what we have here is an electronic device which reacts really quickly to a sudden jam of the wheel. We're not using an abrasive wheel for this demonstration, we're using just a stainless steel wheel with a brake device here to show that when the machine encounters a very sudden stop in the wheel, that it electronically shuts down. So we've got this brake arrangement. So I can quickly show you that. Just switch the power on and the machine on. And then shortly after that I'll just literally do an emergency stop with this brake. And you can see the machine is completely silent now. There's no power left running in the motor, and yet the switch is still physically switched on and the power is still supplied from the mains socket. This obviously takes all the energy out of a jam and prevents this inertia from throwing the machine back towards the operator. In tandem with this kickback stop feature, we have this now on 3 machines, 2 9-inch machines and 1 5-inch machine like this one. We have something called restart protection. Small grinders traditionally have a lock-on switch, so they can mechanically be locked on at the control switch here. And this means if the power is interrupted, let's just run the machine for a moment. I take the power out. Clearly the switch is still mechanically enabled. Conventional grinder, of course, will come back to life when we plug the unit back in, but in this case, putting the power back in, there's no attempt on the grinder's part to restart. You have to physically switch the switch off here and then back on before the machine carries on working. And this, of course, in itself has significant safety benefits, because these switches can be switched on accidentally in a toolkit. Dare I say, it could be switched on for fun, okay, to see what happens when the operator plugs the tool in and it chases him across the yard. We wouldn't condone that, of course, but yeah. If the switch is mechanically on, when you apply the power, the restart protection does exactly what it says on the tin. It stops the machine from starting until the operator is ready and switches the machine on.